Good morning, my dear students. This is me, teacher Dua Ayash from Palestinian School here in Qatar. Let's start our new lesson for today. Let's start the new unit, Unit 7, at the restaurant with the new words. Please listen and repeat.
Track 58. A fork. A knife. A spoon. A glass. A napkin.
Excellent. Please listen again and repeat.
Track 58. A fork. A knife. A spoon. A glass. A napkin.
Great job. Now let's read the title of our new unit together. At the restaurant. Right? If I ask you this question, what does it mean restaurant? What does it mean restaurant? Yes, tell me, my dear students, what does it mean the word restaurant? Excellent. Restaurant means a place where people sit and eat meals in it. Okay, let's start period 1 with activity number 1. Read, listen, and write, tick or cross. Okay, let's read now the words here together. Under the pictures: fork, spoon, knife, glass, napkin. Excellent. I want you in this exercise to listen to the audio and write, tick or cross according to what you hear. Okay? Prepare your pencil and please listen and write.
Track 59.
I have a fork and a spoon. I have a glass too. Where's my napkin?
Here it is.
Thank you. Oh, where's my knife? I don't have a knife.
Excuse me, could I have a knife, please? Yes, of course.
Now please listen and check your answers.
Track 59.
I have a fork and a spoon. I have a glass too. Where's my napkin?
Here it is.
Thank you. Oh, where's my knife? I don't have a knife.
Excuse me, could I have a knife, please? Yes, of course.
Excellent. Now let's move to activity number 2. Listen and write. Let's read the speech bubbles together. Excuse me, could I have a knife, please? Okay, look at the picture and tell me, what can you see? I can see Fiona's family, right? I think that Fiona's family asks for things at the restaurant, right? Let's read the words here in the brown box. Spoon, knife, napkin, fork, glass. Okay. In this exercise, I want you to listen to the audio and complete the sentences from the brown box. Okay? Use the words in the brown box to complete the sentences below. Okay? Let's read them together before writing. Number 1, Beth asks for a knife. 2, Dad asks for a. 3, Mom asks for a. 4, Walid asks for a. 5, Fiona asks for a. So, in this exercise, I want you to listen, okay? And please prepare your pencil. We want to listen and use the words in the brown box to complete the sentences, okay? Because everyone here in Fiona's family asks for something at the restaurant. So please listen and write.
Track 60. 1,
Excuse me, could I have a knife, please?
2. Excuse me, could I have a glass, please? 3.
Excuse me, could I have a fork, please?
4.
Excuse me, could I have a napkin, please?
5.
Excuse me, could I have a spoon, please?
Now please listen again. Listen again and check your answers.
Track 60. 1,
Excuse me, could I have a knife, please?
2. Excuse me, could I have a glass, please? 3.
Excuse me, could I have a fork, please?
4.
Excuse me, could I have a napkin, please?
5.
Excuse me, could I have a spoon, please?
Excellent. Great job, my dear students. Let's move to activity number 3. Listen and say. In this activity, I want you to listen and answer the questions.
Track 61. 1.
What does Mum ask for?
2.
What does Walid ask for?
3.
What does Fiona ask for?
4.
Who doesn't have a knife?
5.
Who doesn't have a glass?
Now please listen again and check your answers.
Track 61. 1.
What does Mum ask for?
2.
What does Walid ask for?
3.
What does Fiona ask for?
4.
Who doesn't have a knife?
5.
Who doesn't have a glass?
Excellent. Great job. Now, let's move to activity number 4. Say. In this activity, I want you to imagine yourself that you are at the restaurant, and I want you to ask for some of these things at the restaurant. For example, excuse me, could I have a napkin, please? Excuse me, could I have a spoon, please? This is how can we ask for something at the restaurant. Okay, so please, in this exercise, I want you to imagine yourself that you are at the restaurant and ask for something. Let's start with period 2 with activity number 1. Think and write. Have a look at this picture and tell me. Look at A. What can you see? I can see a fork. Excellent. Look at B. What can you see? I can see a napkin. Great job. Look at picture C. What can you see? I can see a knife. Great job. What about picture D? What can you see? I can see a spoon. Excellent. Now picture E. What can you see? Picture E, I can see a glass. Great job. In this activity, I want you to write the missing letters, okay? And tell me which picture, okay? Number 1, spoon, and it's done for us. Spoon picture D. Number 2, prepare your pencil and please write the missing letters. F space RK. Look at the brown box here. Inside this brown box we have many letters. O, A, E, I, another O, I, A, and again another O. You can use these words to complete. You can use these letters, to complete the words below. So again, have a look at this word number 2, F space RK. What is the missing letter here? Write the answer down. This is letter. Now check your answer. Excellent. This is letter O, the missing letter. We have fork. Number 2, fork. Now fork, which picture? Fork, which picture? Write your answer down in the box. Check your answer. This is picture A. Excellent. Now, number 3. N space P K space N. Can you complete this word with the missing letters? Yes, we can. Please write your answer down on the spaces. Now check your answer. A, napkin. And we have after K, I. So this word, let's read it together. Napkin. Now napkin, which picture? Napkin. Napkin picture. Check your answer now. Picture B. Excellent. Now let's move to number 4. G L space S S. Can you write here the missing letter? Please write the missing letter in the space. Check your answer now. Glass. Excellent. Glass. Now glass, which picture? Write the answer down in the box. This is picture E. Excellent. Glass, picture E. Now let's move to the last word, number 5. K N space F space. Here be careful. K is a silent letter. Okay? Write the missing letters down. Now check your answer. Knife, and the last letter E. So K is a silent letter. We start reading from letter N. Knife. Now knife, which picture? Knife picture. Write the answer in the box. Knife picture C. Excellent, my dear students. Great job. Let's move to activity number 2. Draw and write. Say. Look at these 3 pictures here. Picture number 1, 2, and 3. I want you in this exercise to imagine that you are at the restaurant and you want to ask for something, okay? Let's start with table number 1. What can you see in this table? I can see a spoon, a napkin, and a knife, right? Tell me now, what are the missing things in your table? Table number 1. What are the missing things? Great job. The missing things here in table number 1 are glass and what? And a fork. Okay, so let's start with question number 1 down and complete the question. How can we complete the question? By choosing the suitable words from the brown box up. Let's read the words here in the brown box. Glass, napkin, spoon, knife, fork. Okay. Now let's complete question number 1. Prepare your pencil. And as I told you, the missing things on table number 1 are the fork and the glass, right? So let's complete here this question. Number 1, could I have a glass and a fork, please? Now check your answer. Excellent. So if you are at the restaurant, you can ask this question to ask for a fork and a glass. Could I have a fork and a glass, please? And please, in this activity, I want you to draw. Okay? Draw the things that are missing on the table. So on table number 1, you have to draw the fork and the glass. Okay, don't forget. Number 2, could I have a and a, please? Look at table number 2. What can you see? I can see a glass, a knife, and a spoon. Now tell me, what are the missing things on table number 2? Okay, imagine that you are sitting on table number 2 and you want to ask for the missing things on your table. Okay? How can you ask? Please go down to question number 2 and complete. And please don't forget to choose the suitable words from the brown box. Could I have a and a, please? Write your answers down. Now check your answer. Could I have a spoon and a napkin, please? Excellent, because spoon and napkin are the missing things on table number 2. And as I told you, please don't forget to draw the things that are missing on the table. On table number 2, draw the spoon and the napkin. Okay? Let's move to table number 3. What can you see on table number 3? I can see a glass, a spoon, and a napkin. What are the missing things on table number 3? Excellent. Spoon and the knife. Great job. Now, please complete number 3, question number 3. Could I have a and a, please? Write your answer down. Don't forget to use the words in the brown box to complete the question. Now check your answer. Could I have a spoon and a knife, please? Excellent. Great job. Don't forget to draw the spoon and the knife on table number 3. Great job. This is your homework for tomorrow. Write the new words of this unit in your copybook. These words are fork, napkin, spoon, glass, and knife. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you understood everything. See you soon.